Hey, I am Jen from On the Spot Therapy Center. We just moved to our new location and I was really looking for affordable, safe, interlocking tile foam mats. And I ran across Greatmats. So I was really excited because I heard some good reviews right from the beginning. So I just ordered some and I started to lay it down in our sensory gym for kids. And I just wanted to show you how easy it is to install it. Anybody can install it. You can see I'm here by myself. And I am thrilled with the product. This yellow interlocking, and it's very thick and it's very cushiony. So over the years, we've used some other interlocking foam tiles that I've gotten from some other places. And unfortunately, they didn't hold up. They kind of looked a little grungy after a little while, even after we would scrub them and wash them. But I also like they're super squishy and cushiony, and we have a lot of littles that are running around in here. So for us to make sure that they're safe, that is really, really important. All of them come with this edging, which is great because it just allows us to expand or change the layout of the foam. But you can see how easy it is to just line them up. And I'm doing this one-handed. And look at how great this is on the floor. And I also love that the seams are really flush together, so there's no toe catchers, because when you have kids running around, unfortunately, sometimes they'll catch their toes because they're not really paying attention to what their feet are doing. So I want to show you the finished product of how we put these tiles together and how they fit in our gym. I'm thrilled to have them. We are just now opening up our gym in our next location, and what a great find. I wish I knew about them before because I would have used them in our other space. But now, as you can see, we are thrilled with our purchase and we're really thankful.